Well, alright everyone. You don't know who this is? It's the Skilla. Now, here's another thing. Early this morning, right? This is a religious clash. You understand? This is two of Jamaican's most popular religion having a feud on a bus. Rastafarians and Christians. You know? In my view, we are all serving the same God, but everyone is open to their own opinions. You understand? So here I'm going to show you all what's going on. Take a look, tell me what you think. To be honest, there's a lot of yelling, right? Because of everyone trying to be more dominant than the other. So you might have to listen carefully to hear. Alright? Please observe.
Yeah. Every boy, every woman, every girl, yeah. Every demon spirit, every demon spirit.
Man, that was one hell of a fight. You know, I just don't get it. You know, it's like this whole feud through religion. You understand what I'm saying? It's just really confusing, you know. I wish that somehow the real creator of this earth would just come down and just let us all know what is what. Because believe you me, this is causing me myself, I'm confused. I'm not going to lie. I'm confused about it because guess what? I've seen so many religions and every religions have done great things, you know. To me, I think that we ourselves have the power because our belief is so strong, things happen, you know. But that is just my view. So you can't really use my view to, you know, to say that it is true, and I can't say that an next person's view is wrong. You know what I'm saying? But in the eyes of some people, their view is the view. You understand? Meaning that their opinion is the opinion, and there's nothing you can do to change that. Right? Anyways, it's a free world, freedom of speech. So, you get what I'm saying? I can just imagine the people on the bus just trying to get to work in peace and this kind of yelling, you know? You know, maybe the children, the schoolers, you know? I mean, man, this is really and truly a... To be honest, I've never seen religions clash like this. And to be honest, Rastafarians and Christianity in Jamaica always had a secret feud. And you all know that. But it is what it is, right? The greatest thing is that they keep it at a peaceful level. And that's all I like. Alright? Good. Anyways, always remember to let me know what you think. Meaning that I want you to tell me your views. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to know what's going on in and around Jamaica and around the world, and on especially the Skilla's Entertainment. You understand? My name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.
Yeah. Every boy, every woman, every girl, yeah. Every demon spirit, every demon in spirit. When the children pray, God will deliver us.